Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've been drawing a lot of pretty realistic sharks and everything, but we do have a lot of younger kids that watch these videos too. So I want to make some fun shark videos for the younger kids. So I figured I would draw every kid's favorite shark, and that is the baby shark. Now to start off with baby shark, we're going to begin right here in the middle of our paper, and we're going to draw the eyes. First thing is just make a circle. And then you want to leave some space and you want to draw another circle. Try your best to keep it the same size. If it's not perfect, it's okay. Now, I'm going to start here and I'm going to add a little curved line like this, and then a little curved line right in here. Then you want to make a circle that goes right around it. And you're going to want to do the same thing over here. And then just color it in. And that's going to be the pupil. And I'm actually going to make this one just a little bit bigger. I want it to kind of touch the edge of my eye, just like that. Now, right in between the eyes, I'm going to draw one little oval like this, and then another little oval like that, so they're kind of facing in. Right underneath here, we're going to make the mouth. So you want to draw a nice curved line and a really big smiley face underneath it that goes from one end to the next. Then you can just put a little sad face for the tongue. And right above the tongue, you want to put the teeth. So I'm going to draw some little pointy triangles that go right across. I'll just put 4 of them in here. The next step is to put the head around here. And baby shark has a big head. You want to start here and just draw a line that's going to curve all the way around. So make your big circle shape go all the way around. And then at the top here, we're going to put his little shark fin. And you do that by drawing a little line that goes up and then down. I'm going to curve this line in just a little bit more on each side. And I'm going to make a line that curves down, and then it's going to come all the way to here. It almost kind of looks like an upside down shark fin. Right here, you're going to make a little line that goes out, and then another one that goes out here. And I'm going to curve this down to here, and I'm going to curve this one down to here. Next, bring this line to here, and this line's going to come and it's going to touch right to here. So draw your line and then slowly run it right into here. So it looks like his body's turning. Now right here for his tail, you're going to curve a line up, then curve it really close to the bottom of your paper and bring it right to here. The final step is to take a line and draw it right to the mouth of baby shark and do the same thing over here. And I kept these lines above where the flippers are touching. And there you go. There's your drawing of baby shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.